Guys, I just thought of something and I figured out that to lay out all my characters, there's some play buttons up there. To lay out all my characters that I'm gonna use, that I've used, or I'm gonna use in a future video, like that Grey Wolf, the kangaroo, those snakes, that I have that Junior goes to the movies, or Smithing James goes to the movies. I have a lot of ideas for him. Yes. I have a lot of ideas for him. Shapipi, yeah, I have a few ideas for him. Yeah, I have Junior Returns, like where Mario's playing a video game and he's playing as Junior, and Junior dies, and Junior ends up like coming to his front door and killing him. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got some objects that I'm gonna use for him. I'm gonna use a frying pan for him. Yeah, and I'm gonna use like they're Black Panther and Deadpool are gonna be twins because they're both from Marvel.
That's my Ellie girl.
I have a lot of ideas for that kangaroo and this dog and that sloth. They actually aren't attached. I just attached them. Yeah, gnarly, bro. That was gnarly. I'm from Australia. You take bow. Try to find me. Try to find me, bro. Try to find me. Yeah, big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was totally gnarly.